Hey flower friends, it is Lisa Mason Ziegler dropping in here to say in 10 minutes I'm starting my last live masterclass on where to sell your flowers. And I'd love to have you join. It's a free live masterclass. If you comment sales here, that'll DM you the link to join. To actually request and get the link. So you have enough time to do it. If you have a moment, download the PDF worksheet that I have for you, print it out and show up. So the masterclass starts at 8 p.m. Eastern time. You have to have the link to get in. You can comment sales here to get in. This is the last live masterclass where I am going through 14 different ways to sell cut flowers, or where to sell cut flowers. And friends, this is not an exclusive list. There are other ways to sell flowers, but I am just highlighting it. I'm trying to show you the destination of where all these flowers that you want to grow can go. You just have to claim yours. So I hope you'll join me. Tonight is the last live free masterclass on where to sell cut flowers. And you can get the link by commenting sales, then head straight to your DMs, get it. It's going to email you the link. It's a StreamYard. And then if you can, download and print out the PDF, which is a 2-page worksheet. I can't wait to see you there. Everybody that shows up live is going to get another little gift from me in their inbox after it's over. And friends, that is all of my details on my members only farm market on my farm. And you don't want to miss that. I'm giving you the text to put on your website as well as all the behind the scenes details. So comment sales, head to your DM, click the link, sign up to get the link emailed to you and join me. We're starting in about 9 minutes and I'm going to be going through 14 different ways to sell your flowers. And we're just going to be kind of like going through the whole jitters of where do you sell flowers? How's that all? I know that when I first started flower farming 28 years ago, whatever it is, selling the flowers was the most terrifying part for me. Growing them was tough, was a job, but asking somebody to give me money. And tonight, I'm just going to talk about that a little bit. So join me, comment sales, check the DMs, head straight there, hit it, then sign up and go to your email box, get the link, print the PDF, comment sales to get in. So friends, I'm signing off so I can get ready for my masterclass, and you won't be sorry. So join me and just comment sales here. There's nowhere else to get the link, y'all. It's not on our website anymore because tonight's the last night. This will be the 4th one I've done. And so you don't want to miss it. So comment sales, go to your DMs, click it, get your seat, then go to your inbox and hit the link and join me. Grab a piece of paper if you don't have time to print out the PDF. And I just can't wait to see you, friends. Because y'all know I love teaching and I love selling flowers. Once somebody gives you money for your flowers, it like lit me on fire. And so this will hopefully be the little breadcrumbs to get you to show up because you won't be sorry. All right, friends, remember, comment sales, head to your DMs to get the free link to join my free masterclass that starts in about 7 minutes. And join me till we meet again, friends. Ciao.